Hi everybody, we're going to do a little spreadsheet assignment now. So the idea is that when you leave ACC, we want you to have confidence and some experience using Microsoft Excel. We're going to run this assignment a little different than other assignments. We're going to give you multiple chances at this assignment until you get 100%. So we'll keep passing the document back and forth until it's perfect, as long as we have time. So work on it on your own. The idea is that you become confident with these skills more than, it's not like a test. It's growth and getting better at these skills. So what I'll do is I'll make some videos and I'll give you an Excel file with some raw data, and I'll lead you through in these videos how to take that raw data and turn it into a professional looking Excel file. And you'll click along with me and add font and text to make it look professional. I'll ask you in some places in the video to make it your own, like choose your own colors and font styles and choose your own borders and things like that. But really you're learning the skills with me, and then you'll hand it in. I'll give you feedback and you can continue to fix it up until it's perfect. Okay, so let's work together on this. There's more video below.